What is percentage composition of any element in a compound? How to calculate? Just take the mass percentage of element is equal to mass of the element present in the compound divided by the molecular mass of the compound into 100. This formula will give you mass percent of an element in a compound. Okay, so this is a very simple formula. Let's go ahead and solve these two questions. First, calculate the percentage of elements present in water. First one means you have to find out percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen in water. Try to find out this one. Hello, Deepak.
Yes, sir.
Try to be in time, okay? Try to join exactly at 7 p.m. Okay?
Sir, can you repeat the formula?
Sorry, your voice is not audible.
Can
Yes?
you repeat the formula again?
Formula is very simple. Look, formula is mass of percentage of any element is equal to,
Sir, 11.1%.
okay, let me see. Look, the formula mass of the element in the compound divided by molecular mass of the compound into 100. This is the formula. Okay, so solve this one. So first of all, you need to know the molecular mass of water. So molecular mass of water is equal to 2 into hydrogen. For hydrogen it is 1, and for oxygen the atomic mass is 16. So it is 18. So molecular mass in the division is 18. And mass of hydrogen present is how much? 2 into 1. This is the mass of hydrogen. So it is 2 into 100. So it is how much? 1 by 9 into 100. This much of percentage you have to convert this.
11.12.
Yes. And then for oxygen it is how much? Mass of oxygen, look, it is 16. Mass of oxygen available divided by total mass, which is molecular mass, into 100. So this is the percentage for oxygen. Is it clear?
Sir, 88.96%.
Okay, that's about the calculation. So check it out. So next your task is you have to solve this one, but not now. For glucose, you have to calculate mass percentage for carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So do it at your home, okay? And send me the answer in the group, everyone. Okay? Just in a picture format in one page. Is it clear? So can we proceed? So this is the second question. It is from NCERT. Calculate the mass percentage of different element present in sodium sulfate Na2SO4. So go ahead and solve this question. Some students are already solved this question and send it to me in the last assignment. I think Anant and Shivashish solved that question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So, okay. Okay, so the topic for today's lecture is empirical formula. What is empirical formula? Empirical formula is the simplest formula of any compound which shows the element present in the compound in the simple whole number ratio. I repeat, empirical formula represent the simple whole number ratio of element present in the compound. Take an example for understand what is empirical formula. What is the formula or better to say molecular formula of benzene. Anyone? What is the molecular formula of benzene?
C6H6.
It is C6H6. So if you take the ratio of number of atoms of carbon and number of atoms of hydrogen, it is 6 is to 6, but in the simple whole number ratio, it is 1 is to 1. So in simple whole number ratio, if you represent them, the formula will become C1H1 or only CH. This formula is called empirical formula. This is called empirical formula of benzene. Okay. So this is how we calculate empirical formula. Similarly, take a second example. We know the molecular formula of your glucose is equal to C6H12O6. Now answer me, what is the empirical formula of glucose?
CH2O.
Yes, it is CH2O. How to calculate? Just took the ratio. It is 6 is to 12 is to 6. And in a simple whole number ratio, it is 1 is to 2 is to 1. So the formula is CH2O. This is the empirical formula. Is it clear? Now,
Yes,
can
sir.
anyone answer me what is the significance of empirical formula? Why we need empirical formula? Any idea? Swayam and who else join? Swayam join. Why Swayam so late?
No, sir, I've joined earlier also, but my phone battery is not is going to die, so I entered from the.
Okay, okay. So anyone, any idea what is the use of empirical formula? Any guesses? Okay. So remember, in any experiments we calculate somehow the percentage of element present in a compound. There are some methods. By knowing the percentage of elements present in a compound, if we took the simple whole number ratio, we get a formula which is called empirical formula. And then from the molecular weight and empirical formula, we calculate the molecular formula itself. So in experiments and to calculate molecular formula, this empirical formula is very much important. And that is why this topic is included in your syllabus. That is how to calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. Is it clear? So next, relation between empirical formula and molecular formula is very, very important. It is very easy also. Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. What is N? N is generally integer number or whole number, which is equal to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. Or it is simply written as empirical formula mass. ओके एकदम इसको रटना नहीं है, अभी देखो एकदम याद हो जाएगा. न्यूमेरिकल्स जब हम लोग करेंगे एकदम याद हो जाएगा. जस्ट रिमेंबर मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू एन इंटू एम्पेरिकल फॉर्म. किस तरह का क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जाएगा? लुक हियर, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऐसा दिया रहेगा, द परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन in an organic substance is given in percentage. Okay, ये रिस्पेक्टिवली दिया हुआ है. मतलब परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट वन 54.55, परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज सेकेंड वन which is 9.06, and percentage of, sorry, second one is hydrogen, right? Yes, second one is hydrogen, third one is oxygen, which is 36.3. It is given. You have to calculate the empirical formula and also the molecular formula if its molecular weight is given. So how to solve this kind of question? ठीक है, देखो इसको सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं. इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए ये टेबल बनाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इस टेबल को बना लोगे लोग तो क्वेश्चन इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना. इसको सॉल्व करना सीखते हैं हम लोग. सबसे पहले एलिमेंट जो है उसको लिख लो. तो कौन कौन सा एलिमेंट था हमारा? कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. नाउ कार्बन का एटॉमिक मास कितना होता है? एनीवन?
Sir, 12.
It's 12. For hydrogen?
1.
For oxygen?
16.
16. Third column is given percentage. Question में कितना परसेंटेज दिया उसको पुट करो. So look, for carbon it is 54.55. For hydrogen it is 9.06. And for oxygen it is 36.39. Okay. Okay, so this is percentage. This is percentage.
Yes, sir.
Next is atomic ratio. Next, what you have to do, just divide from the percentage to its atomic number, which is 54.55 divided by 12. Here it is 9.06 divided by 1. Here it is 36.39 divided by 16. And anyone answer me? For now, use calculator, but please try at home. Don't use calculators, okay? Calculators are not allowed. यहाँ बता दो आंसर कितना होगा पहला का. So it is 54.55 divided by 12. It is 4.55, right? 4.55. Second one is 9.06. And third one is how much? It is 2.27. Okay. Yes. Is it correct? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then from the atomic ratio, took the smallest value. इसमें से सबसे छोटा जो वैल्यू है उसको लो, उससे इन तीनों को डिवाइड कर दो. सो इन तीनों में सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट कौन सा है? 2.27. दिस वन. इससे सबको डिवाइड कर दो जो आंसर आया. सो 4.55 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.27, 9.06 divided by 2.27, and 2.27 divided by 2.27. And now answer, it is 4.55 divided by 2.27. So this is equal to 2 approximately 2. Okay. The second one,
4.
yeah, it is 3.99, approximately 4. And third one is 1. So this is the simple whole number ratio. So in the simple whole number ratio, we represent C2H4O1. So this is the empirical formula. Please take a screenshot or just write it down in your notebook, the columns. Okay, ये columns क्या क्या है ना, ये याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है. इसको एक बार नोट डाउन कर लो या स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, क्योंकि अभी एक न्यूमेरिकल तुम लोग को करना है। किसी को डाउट है कैसे करते हैं इसको? फर्स्ट कॉलम इज एलिमेंट, सेकंड इज एटॉमिक मास, थर्ड इज परसेंटेज। यस, happen. Hello. Why it's producing?
Yes, sir.
Why it produce so much of echo? Swayam,
Sir,
Can you-
Swayam's mic was open.
Swayam, can you join from two devices at the same time? That is why the echo produce. You must log out from either mobile phone or from your laptop. Okay.
Sir, it's the Wi-Fi problem, sir. It is offering, so that's why from one device it is not actually exiting.
Oh, that is why there is a echo. Okay. So just took the screenshot. This is the empirical formula. Okay. Now how to calculate molecular formula? Before finding molecular formula, just from the empirical formula, calculate empirical formula bit. From this, find out empirical formula bit. Empirical formula bit. Just you calculate the molecular formula. तो वैसे जैसे molecular formula bit हम लोग निकालते हैं, वैसे empirical formula bit निकालो. So it is C into 2, that is carbon का atomic mass 12, हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास है 1 एंड ऑक्सीजन का है 16. सो कितना होगा, कैलकुलेट करो. हाउ मच?
44.
44. Right. Next, it is given in the question the molecular mass of organic substance is 88 gram per mole. So given molecular mass is equal to 88. Look, it is given in gram per mole. It is equal to no unit. Okay, unit जो होता है molecular mass का आप नहीं लिखो तो भी चलता है, या फिर ग्राम पर मोल लिख सकते हो. ठीक है ना? So just look at the formula. N is equal to molecular mass by empirical formula mass. Yes. So we have to calculate the value of N, which is equal to molecular mass by empirical formula mass, which is equal to 88 by 44, which is equal to 2. So we know molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Okay, so molecular formula is equal to 2 into empirical formula is C2H4O. This 2 is multiplied in this section in number of atoms. Okay, don't multiply in front of this. ये important चीज है. यहाँ जो ये n है ये सामने multiplied नहीं होता है, atoms में multiplied होता है. ठीक है ना? क्योंकि atomic
4H8O2.
Yes, it is C4H8O2. So this is the molecular formula of compound. This kind of question is asked in examination of 3 marks. 3 marks का question आता है ऐसा. So I hope किसी को doubt है तो बोलो, otherwise next question पे shift करेंगे. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So just fast you have 2 minutes and answer this question. Determine empirical formula of oxide of iron, means oxygen and iron is present, in which iron percentage is given and percentage of O2, dioxygen, is given. You have to calculate the empirical formula.
So what is atomic mass of iron?
How much? Anyone? Help your friend. Can anyone know atomic number of iron? Oh, these are some basics.
Sir, what is the atomic mass of iron?
It is 55.9 approximately. You take 56. Okay. Can anyone able to solve that question?
Yes, sir, I am solving.
Yes. Answer me then.
Sir, I got the empirical formula FeO7.
FeO7. Anyone else?
Sir, I got FeO.
Okay. Who gets Swayam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, FeO by
Sir, I
Swayam.
also got FEO.
Who got FeO7?
Sir, Deepak.
Deepak. So take your calculations. The empirical formula, the answer is Fe2O3. No one is correct. The empirical formula is Fe2O3. Just recheck. Just recheck once. Columns. If you remember the columns, first column is the element. So it is simply Fe and oxygen. Second column is their atomic weight. So it is 55.9 or 56. And for oxygen, the atomic mass is take 16. Okay. Next is your atomic ratio or number percent relative moles. Relative moles is how much? Sorry, percentage. Percentage given 69.9 and this is 30.1. Next is ratio. It is 69.9 divided by 55.9. And this is 30.1 by 16. So how much this one? First one is approximately 1.25, right?
The 1.25 approximately.
And this is 1.88, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm talking about, take the smallest value and divide them. So it is 1.25 by 1.25, and this is 1.88 by 1.25. So this is 1, this is 1.5, right? Just check example. And multiply
Yes.
both values by 2. So if you get the whole number ratio as 2:3. So your answer is Fe2O3.
Sir, why multiply by 2?
To get a whole number ratio, fractions of atom is not possible, right? Fraction of atom is not possible.
Okay.
So you have to
Yes,
take
yes.
from the Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. We know that. Okay. So go ahead and note down the number. It is from NCERT. 1.8 is very good question. Try to solve that question. NCERT 1.8. Or we have 8 minutes left in this class, and next class we learn about your stoichiometry. Why not you solve this right now? You have just 5 minutes. Go ahead, solve this question. Determine the molecular formula of oxide of iron. Oh, sorry, it is the same, I think. No. Yes, same question, little bit elaborated. Oxide of
Yes, sir.
iron, which has mass percentage, is same, just like previous question. And they added that given molecular mass is equal to this much. Molecular mass is given, you have to calculate the molecular formula also. In the last question, it is all about empirical formula. Now find out molecular formula. Go ahead, solve. So you not need to calculate further. Again, सब कुछ नहीं calculate करने का जरूरत है. Just write down empirical formula. Empirical formula is equal to Fe2O3. And go ahead from this point.
That is approximately 1
Yes.
and
Yes,
equal to
sir.
1.
Yes.
So, sir, the molecular formula will be Fe2O3.
Yes. Correct. So its empirical formula and molecular formula is same, which is Fe2O3. Is it clear now? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then you have 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, we class our next class. Okay, we have our next class from the topic of stoichiometry.